In race 1, I got Velvet Valor. A bit disappointed in his first run for me, but he came back from a very long break. So it's understandable, and he grabbed a bit, and he actually went out too quick in the beginning. So I need to put him in another race to get another run in him to try and get his fitness up. With all the rain, we couldn't do as much as we wanted to, but he's improving all the time work-wise. I think he'll need one more run. Then in race 2, we got Money Galore. Also, I wasn't too disappointed with the first run. The horse that won the race, I think, is a very good horse. I had a filly in there, which I think is a very fair horse. She'll improve with this run. But I think she's going to go 1450. She's going to look for a bit of distance, 1450, 1600 later. But I think she'll also need this run. Then we got Bella Boop Boop. Yeah, she's got me scratching my head every day. We're giving a bit of a break. She had a little hindquarter injury, which we also fixed up. Just give her a little bit of time off. I think she's still a little bit overweight, but I need to start running again. And this is an ideal opportunity in an apprentice race to start getting a race fit again. Race 7, Kylie's Angel. If she wasn't drawn so wide, I would have been very bullish about her. She ran a very nice race the previous time. Got touched off by a gelding. I think she's a big runner in that race, even though the draw. But if she wasn't drawn that badly, I would have made her a bigger runner than what she is. But she definitely have a huge chance. Her work has been excellent, and she's been showing me some great work. And at least she's starting to bring it to the track now. But that's it.